How to copy your profile link on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to copy your profile link on TikTok mobile. First then open TikTok and here you will find profile, click on it and then click edit profile, and here all you need to do is just here you will find this link. If you want to copy it, just click this icon here or hold on it, and that's it. It's easy. Now just go back and as you see, that's how to copy your profile link on TikTok mobile, and that's it. It's easy, of course. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.